from your assignment. Let's see how it works. So I just connect to the TMS server. Okay, nothing here. So here is the process. The process is some kind of ETL. Don't recall just know the process.
No lah.
You can have a create new process. Okay, and from the process, okay, you can select text and you browse for the source. For example, I have the source here. You have the source as well because you have the assignment, and your assignment have some kind of source attached. But I just split it. Okay, it is an Excel. I just split it different one into the CSV. So for example, I select this CSV. This is the item master, and you can preview it. Okay, you see that this is the CSV. The first row we have the brand, country, type, brand, item, whatever. So this one is the title. So the title I do not want it. So I type there's one record which is the title, and the title is eliminated. Okay, so this is how you load the CSV file. And after you load the CSV, you can define some kind of variable. Okay, so this is a variable name. So it will try to use the title. Okay, if the title is a name, okay, you try to use it. Okay, so this is the country. Okay, this is the product, and this is the unit price. Okay, now so we have different information here. Okay, and after you do this, okay, you need to define what is it. Okay, for example, if the product itself is an element. Okay, in TM1 you everything in the dimension is called elements, or instances is the element, same thing. Okay, so this one, the unit price, you can tag it as the attribute of the product. Okay, and all these, okay, the brand may have some kind of consolidation. This may have some kind of consolidation. Okay, and this may have some kind of consolidation as well. Okay, if you want to organize in country. So depends on how you going to organize your hierarchy. Okay, you can select different things. For example, I just want to consolidate with the brand first. Okay, I don't want to make it so complicated. Okay, so like this. Okay, and then we can do the mapping. Okay, so actually this is a kind of structure hierarchy mapping. Okay, it is mapped to the structure of a hierarchy. So actually it is a kind of not the content links. Okay, it is the hierarchical, the structure links. So the mapping, okay, we do not have any cube data to a model. We just map to the dimension. So this is the product variable, and the dimension we called it the product. Okay, and I just create a dimension, okay, like this. And is there any consolidation? Yes, it is consolidated by the brand. Okay. And then for the attribute, okay, the unit price is the attribute. Okay, we have the element variable of brand, of product, and the attribute names unit price. Okay, let's do it like this. Okay, for now. Okay, so I can just save it. Okay. Do product. Okay, and I can execute. And done. Okay, after executing, you'll find that there is a new dimension called product. Okay, and what you define will become the structure inside. Simple. What's the problem? Seems that we do not have the or, right? So you can try to delete it. And try to print something. Okay. We can add a new variable. More product. we're trying to use this consolidation, and the formula is that all product is equal to all product class. Okay, just give it a constant. Okay, and in the mapping, we can have all product consolidation. Child variable is branch. Okay, and if you save it and run it, the hierarchy will be different. Sort the hierarchy. You have all product and then supply. So how you build your hierarchy? You need to design first before you can do your hierarchy, and you can use the data to load into the system and build a hierarchy. It is only a sample. I cannot tell you more because it is a question in the assignment. Okay, so you need to design your hierarchy. Okay, how each level is designed. Okay, okay, and you may need to combine some kind of structure. Okay, because there may be cases that you have conflicts. If you have you really need a hierarchy. So this is how you load a hierarchy.
Okay.
Okay, simple. Click, done. So in the so actually for the concepts, okay, all the cell links, okay, row member, column member is represented in all these kind of mappings. So the same concepts apply. Actually, it's come from DM1. Actually. Okay. So we have loaded product. Okay. What next? Create a new process. Same thing. I have a store master. Preview and eliminate the first record. Okay. And we have the variables. This is the code. Shop name. This is the date.
即係每個 product、每個 shop、每個 country 有整一個，係啊。
Yeah. So how you map it? So this is the element. So this is the attribute. This is the attribute, and this is the attribute as well. Right? Yes. No. Yes. No.
element 即係個 key 啊。
Yeah. Element is the key. Okay. So you just have this data source and you just make it like this.
We will have
Okay.
for
And
this
how you
one
do
day,
the mapping?
40 hours,
Dimension is
do
short.
everything.
Okay. And then you have a lot of attributes.
Imagine
Okay.
there's time bomb.
So the key is all
Someone
trouble.
need to do TM1 to something. That's how I do every assignment. Decided live.
Days. Remarks. Okay, just load it in first. Okay, and you save it. And slow. But and after you have the shop dimension. No hierarchy because I haven't defined any hierarchy. So just like this. Okay, if I want to define the all shops, okay, I define it. So this is the consolidation. Oh, so it should be string. This is the consolidation. Okay, and for the mapping, okay, I have the consolidation as well. this time I'll have the sort. Okay, and after you do all this, okay, if you want to be advanced user, very advanced, you don't want to type the mapping, okay, like this, okay, you want to full control, you want to go to programming, then you go to the advanced section.
又要 D 咗佢。
No, no need. Just click update. So the program is here. It is automatically generated, but you can just leave it all empty. Don't do all the mapping, and you can code it on your own. Okay?
即係我如果想 shop 再 set 問題係咩類型嘅 shop 就要用 code。
No, actually you can do it by no coding. Okay, for your use. If you need complicated processing, then you may need coding.
咁你頭先有個 object 係 all 等於 string 嘅 shop
I just
underscore
define a
all。
variable which is always fixed value.
但係如果你想 define 一個 variable 係淨係唔係全部嘅 superclass 係某部分嘅 superclass 咁樣點樣 type 啊？
You need to put it in the CSV. Right?
Take
You
off.
just put it in the table. You load from the table from other data source. Right? It's easier for you to modify the CSV and put in the CSV.
即係你唔好就 all 你就整到另外一個 table 咁樣。
Yeah. Or you can put the all shops okay in the table as well.
哦，
Okay? So everything load in, you do not need to type any code.
即係 shop category one 就一個 table，shop category two 就
Yeah,
另
you
外一個
can put
table。
more columns.
然之後 all 就係嗰兩個 table 嘅 all。
Yes, then you can load the hierarchy much easier because if you load the hierarchy using this kind of approach,